Hi, I'm Amelia with Caring Behavior, Animal Behavior Consulting in Los Angeles, California, and today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade catnip spray. Okay, so here's how you can make your own catnip spray. Catnip spray can be a lot of fun because you can spray it onto cat trees and get cats all silly without making a total mess on your floor with the catnip actual plant. What you do is you're going to make a tea. So you got your teapot here. We got a little tea holder. I'm going to take some organic catnip and I'm going to break it off of its stem and I'm going to put it in here just as though I was making tea. You can make it as strong or as weak as you want. Of course, the stronger the better. The more catnip you use, the stronger it'll be. So we've got that in our tea ball here. We're going to go ahead and put that in a mug. Take our tea water. Go ahead and pour it on in here and then let that steep for at least 15 minutes, longer if you want to. And then when that's done steeping, you just go ahead and get yourself a little spray bottle, pour it on into there, and you've got yourself a wonderful catnip spray that you can drive your cat crazy with and get them some really good exercise and have a lot of fun with them. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.